Motorola Riser, rollable phone concept, hands-on. They see me rolling.
Nice.
They hating? That's the headline, by the way. Android Authority, shout out. I would like to take a look at this. I always wanted the rolling. Rolling means no crease.
Uh-huh.
And I love motors, obviously. We see less and less of them. People try to get away from moving parts, but look how smooth that is. You just make it a little bit bigger and then shrink it down and it goes in the pocket. Look, hit the button, boom, it goes in the pocket, it rolls. This is cool. I love. Now it's fat. It's a fat boy. It's a sandwich. All right, okay, fine. Look. Sick. I just want to watch the animation over and over. While foldable screens are slowly becoming more mainstream, rollable flexible displays are still in their emerging phase. The idea is simple. You take a flexible display panel, and instead of just folding it on itself, you use its flexibility to roll it, often hiding it away from view. That's the idea behind Motorola's Riser rollable phone concept, which was briefly teased back in October. And at MWC 2023, Android Authority got their hands on with the prototype. And let's just say, according to them, it is too cool. You don't have to deal with a crease. You end up with, in this case, it's interesting that they went for like I don't know if you want to call it a slab style, but primarily a portrait device, which, it kind of makes sense because all the other players are going for the tablet form factor. And
it's nice reachability.
So this kind of almost goes against the Flip a little bit. But obviously with a much bigger display than that. I like it. I think it's cool. I mean, I would have to play with it, obviously, and you have to put up with something being a little bit flatter. But how about that for a party trick, though? Show your pals. You got the display on the back end still, too.
The new rollable.
Motorola's done, Motorola's done a thing or two here and there, no?
It's not nothing.
Have they not, Will?
Yeah.
They've...
Let's go.
They don't necessarily just do the same thing every time. You got to appreciate.